Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty savage day today. In trading jargon, this is what we would call a gap and trap. Now, if you're new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there, and then this morning opened up there. So in this situation, a very big gap up. But the problem is, after the opening bell rang, some poor souls were buying up around here, and then it was basically just all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's today's action, pretty much in a nutshell, just a big old gap and trap. But the chart's hanging on, and the big picture chart is hanging on. And what do I mean by hanging on? Well, right here by staying up above $4.90. Now, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched past videos, but talked about $4.90 being an important level of support. And the reason why that is so important and why it's a good sign that the price is staying above it is, let's say the price, just bounced around a little bit more and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have at that point? Well, at that point, from, again, the bigger picture point of view. So this is not talking about the reference point of the day trader that bought right there and wanted to buy and sell within 7 minutes. I'm not talking about from that point of view. From the big picture point of view, what would that have? Well, that'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So it's all a matter of perspective is what I'm getting at. If you care about the big picture point of view, then yes, today's gap and trap was pretty savage. But overall, the chart still has the opportunity to build that higher base. However, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, and like I said, you bought right there and your game plan was to buy and sell within 2 minutes, well then, yeah, the chart looks absolutely terrible from that point of view. So what do I think of the chart? Well, it's all dependent on what was your game plan, what was your perspective going in. But I will say that the green line right here is very, very important. Because, if the price comes on there and then crashes through there, well, all of a sudden at that point, the price is beginning to go back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. But we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.